Looking for the best AM radios for long-distance reception in 2025? Here are our top 5 picks, tested for reception, sound quality, and portability. Let's count them down. Number 5. PowerBear Portable Radio. This ultra-compact radio is your go-to companion for emergencies and travel. It supports AM and FM frequencies and fits right in your pocket. With over 800 hours of battery life using just 2 AA batteries, it's built for the long haul. Need privacy? Plug in your headphones and you're good to go. Number 4. DreamSky AM/FM Portable Radio. The DreamSky is perfect for tuning in on the go or at home. It features strong AM/FM reception, analog tuning, a built-in speaker, and a headphone jack. Its long-range antenna is a game-changer for picking up distant stations. Number 3. Sony ICF-P26. Small in size, big on performance. The Sony ICF-P26 offers excellent reception and comes with a battery life indicator LED. Use the built-in speaker or plug in your headphones for private listening. It runs on 2 AA batteries and delivers consistent performance, even in tough conditions. Number 2. Panasonic Portable AM/FM Radio. A reliable classic. This Panasonic analog radio runs on AA batteries, making it perfect for emergencies, travel, or off-grid use. Its telescoping antenna ensures clean reception, and the compact build makes it ideal for your bug-out bag or camping gear. Number 1. Sangean TB100 Ultra Rugged Compact AM/FM Radio. Topping our list is the ultra-durable Sangean LB100. Known for its powerful sound, strong reception, and rugged design, this radio shines with analog tuning, rich monophonic audio, and a stylish vertical cabinet. Whether you're at work, outdoors, or relaxing at home, this one's built to impress. There you have it. The top 5 AM radios for long-distance reception in 2025. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle and needs best. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check links in the description for the latest deals.